Okay guys, in this video we're going to be going over how to add a repair into the system. So from your dashboard, go up to point of sale. Add your customer's info. That could be a name, phone number, email address, whatever you've put into the system will trigger. Now you're going to select the category, which would be the type of device we're fixing. We'll select tablet. In this case, we're doing an iPad Air, so we'll select Apple, iPad Air, and we're going to do a battery replacement. So from here, we go to the next step because we've selected the manufacturer, the type of device, and the problem. Now we're going to select the parts. So from here, you can go in the menu and select which one you're looking for, or you can also type it in. And the cool thing too is now that we've selected the problem, we can now match the corresponding part to it and save item for bundle in the future. Sorry, select here. Now in the future, when you go to select problem, which is battery, it'll automatically select battery. So go to next. Here we're going to do the pre-repair condition checklist. Go ahead and select it. Here we're going to select if everything is okay. We'll select all green. If we see issues with any of the problems, we can go here and say it's got a broken charger port or home button is damaged. We'll leave that like that. Here we're going to type in the IMEI number and the passcode. It's defaulted to 90 days. Here we're going to put repair test status, so we'll say waiting for parts because we got to order this part. Who it's assigned to, if it's someone other than yourself, we'll select somebody else, and then estimated time for the part to be here, we'll say Saturday. Here you put if there is a network. If not, you can just type in Wi-Fi. Any additionals you might want to leave, and then diagnostic notes. So if we see anything, physically wrong with it or software or anything like that. So in this case, we'll say home button issues, small crack near camera. And then here you can put any notes that you don't want the customer to see. So here, if they left a case, you'll select case. If they left a charger, select that. And then there's nothing else you need to do here. So we will create, we'll confirm. Now it's been added to basically the tag. So at this point, you have a couple different options. If it's just an estimate, you'll create an estimate and then print that out for the customer. If we are doing a warranty claim, we will select that here. If we are just creating a ticket with no payment, we will create ticket. Here, the reason why this is popping up is because we have selected a customer-facing display and they will approve it on their end. However, that's not connected right now, so we'll proceed anyways. And then if you would like to print something, I'm going to show you later how to go back and print it, so we'll say no. And then close it. So now that has been created.